Moving to a new home, even within the same city, means buying a lot of household necessities. If we are talking about an apartment in another country, we need to buy furniture, appliances, and interior and household items. Our new video is about where to choose, order and buy all this stuff in Turkey. Let's watch together. We will begin with furniture, of course. The nice thing is that looking for imported furniture in Turkey and overpaying for it is absolutely not required. The choice of quality furniture made in Turkey is great. Any price category, any style or purpose. For those who prefer to choose and buy furniture in person, you should start by visiting the chain stores Aspendos and Migros. Well, for those who want to order it online and get it on the selected day and hour, use the Turkish marketplaces Trendyol and N11. There you can also order any textiles, carpets and bedding. And for those who, again, want to buy linens, towels and other things by browsing and touching, there are Madame Coco and English home stores. Let's go back to the mentioned online sites. They offer a huge selection of appliances, electronics, toys and furnishings. However, as for appliances and electronics, the market leader in Turkey is a network of Beko stores, which belongs to the Arçelik concern. Founded in 1954, the company manufactures 10 brands of appliances, including Beko and Grundig, with factories in Turkey, Russia, Romania, South Africa, and Germany. Now for all those little things you need in everyday life. Clothespins and hooks, dishes and sponges for washing them, household chemicals and so on and so forth. Those who have settled in the Antalya region will find most of that in the 1000 Little Things chain of stores, or to be more precise, 1001. An enormous selection of dishes is available at Jumbo, and of course, you can't forget Tesco Cash and Carry, Turkey's version of Metro. There is no chance to buy something exclusive and of high quality there, but you can save money on household chemicals and various small items such as dryers and clothespins. For those who have started repairs and simply want to have a cherished tool chest at home, the direct route to the stores of Koktas and Texan. By the way, they will also find our video titled, Renovating an Apartment in Turkey, useful. Find out the latest news about Turkey in our Telegram. TURK ESTATE. Live your dream. Live by the sea now.